the National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning alarm. Thursday, in the morning, becoming fog pending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receivers for Monroe. Mostly sunny and 80 southwest 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, 10 miles an hour. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be posted next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device. Here's your forecast.